Here are awesome shelves for one of our garages. So today, we are going to teach you how to build them, from the materials you'll need to the step-by-step process of assembling everything. Let's get started. We'll begin with the materials for your build. You'll need lumber, screws, a drill, a level, a tape measure, sawhorses, a circular saw, safety glasses, a pencil, a stud finder, and a ladder. Choose your lumber wisely. Hardwood is stronger but more expensive, while softwood is cheaper but may not support heavy loads as effectively. Step number 2. Plan your shelves. Start by measuring your garage and deciding where you want to place the shelves. Keep in mind, it's best to install the shelves on a wall stud for added stability. Also, plan for the future. Make sure to leave space for future storage needs when planning where to place your shelves. Step number 3. Cut your lumber. Use your circular saw and cut your lumber to the desired lengths. Always remember to wear safety glasses when cutting wood. For this step, measure twice, cut once. Making accurate cuts from the start will save you from unnecessary adjustments later. Step number 4. Mount the shelf supports. Use a stud finder to locate the studs in your garage wall. Drill holes into the wall and the lumber, then secure the supports to the wall using screws. Use a level to ensure everything is straight. For added strength, use at least 2 screws per stud when securing your shelf supports. Place your shelves onto the supports. Use your drill and screws to secure the shelves onto the supports. A second pair of hands can be helpful to hold the shelves in place while you secure them. Step number 6. Double check your work. It's important to double check your work for safety. Make sure that your shelves are secure and level. If necessary, make any adjustments to the shelves or supports. Take the time to double check each shelf with your level. Even a small tilt can cause items to slide off over time. Last step. Organize your shelves. Now that your shelves are up, it's time to get organized. Place your items on the shelves, ensuring heavier items are on the bottom shelves to prevent toppling over. Use storage bins to group similar items together. This makes it easier to find what you're looking for later. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have sturdy, functional shelves in your garage in no time. Okay, now that you have shelves installed in your garage, that's just the first step toward using it to its full capacity. We've put together another video with more than 20 easy hacks that you need to know and apply to revamp your garage and maximize your storage space. Make sure that you don't miss out on any important tips. Watch that video now and get started.